Now let's add more on question tester. So question bank, we have those one. Actually, in the previous one, we have tested for just one question, and then we can test more in addition to a choice question though. So what we actually do is question one, and we would display and then check possible contents. So if I run that, the question is displayed, and then answers are checked against that. And then let's create another question that is on question bank. The second question is this one is the one. So let's test for that. What university Edmond is located. So question Q2 is db.get1, then Q2 display. Then let's see what you get, what you expected. So this is the second question. Then check for correctness. Q2 check answer. If I give Edmond lower case insensitive, then it should be true. By the way, this returns true or false. So giving equal true is actually redundant. So here false means we could simply do this way, not this one, and then true is this one and this one, because the method returns a Boolean value. So comparing with true or false is redundant. And then if I type Tulsa, then we would expect false. So if I run, all assertion went well. And now question Q3 db.get2. So third question at index 2 is what is the capital city? That is the one. So answer is 2. And then let's say Q3.display there. Then remember that this question is a choice question, so that we can assign into its superclass reference variable. So subclass to superclass assignment allowed. Then we call display. Remember the dynamic binding. The method to be called is not determined by the type of Q3, but the value in Q3. Currently, value in Q3 is a choice question, so display from choice question will be called. So let's run. Then we verify that those are the one. We made a mistake in the test bank. We should have added those choices at C2. Because of that, we have too many choices that comes out. So let me test again. Now it comes correctly. So 1, 2, 3, 4 displayed correctly. So here we see the dynamic binding, and then this is a polymorphism. So let's assert Q3 check answer. 2 is the correct answer. But if I do other than 2, it should be wrong there. So let's run that. All assertion goes well. But if I give 2 as incorrect answer just for testing, we should have a assertion error in line 27. That's the one. So other than 2 should be false. Now question Q4 3 from the bank. The question is which one is not a Java keyword? The answer is 4. So if I do Q4.display, another polymorphism works. So this one is a choice question type, but we assign into superclass type, but because of dynamic binding, anyway, display comes from choice question class. So if I run that, get index out of a range, so that comes from question test 29. So 29, there is no index 3 and question bank that we have not added the C2 into database yet. Because of that, we have index out of range database add C2. I forgot to do so. So go back to the test and then run it. Here the next question shows up, and then assert Q4 check answer. Correct answer is a 4, and then anything other than 4 is a incorrect answer. So let's run it, and the no assertion error occurs. So we have tested the choice question model.